Greetings, everyone. This is Sausan RFA at Southern Connecticut State University. I am creating this video for the Ethnic Heritage Center. This is how you can access the folder that I created and also the grant spreadsheet, and also put in new information into that spreadsheet. So first of all, when you click the link in the email that I sent to you, you will come into a space that looks like this. It may not have My Drive or so forth, but it will have Ethnic Heritage Center 2023-24. That's the folder. And in the folder currently is this grant spreadsheet. I just double-clicked on that, and you'll be able to see the spreadsheet. And you can scroll up and down and so forth. When you get down to these empty cells, if you click on a cell like this, you can click on it. That means that you're activating that cell. I would ask that you don't activate anything that's already filled in, because it might get changed. But if you have things to add to new cells, you can do this by clicking on the new cell. You may find something, for example, an abstract. You can highlight it, and you can hit Control-C, or if you have a PC, or Command-C for copy, and then click on this and hit Control-V or Command-V, and it will paste it into that space. So, for example, if I hit Control-C and I hit Control-V, it can paste into the space. If you hit Delete, it will delete what you just put in that space. And so in this instance here, I actually don't have anything to put in, but you can type in to one of these. So maybe the due date for this grant is December 12, 2023, and maybe the award date is going to be February 28th, 2024. The amount might be $10,000. Here's where you would type in, or you would cut and paste information. This is the organization, so maybe it's the maybe it's something like a foundation. The name of the grant. This might be a program support grant. Is it a matching grant? That's something that you would include, or you would see in the grant solicitation. And then what is the link? And this is where you would go up here to where, go up here to where the link is, not the link for this spreadsheet, but the grant that you're reading. And you would, again, you do a Control-C for copy if you're on a PC, or a Command-C for copy if you're on a Mac. And then you would come down here and you would click on here and you would do Control-V to paste if you're on a PC, and Command-V to paste if you're on a Mac. You don't need to save on these Google Sheets because they save automatically, and I'm going to take that out right now. So I hope that's helpful. Thank you very much.